Types of networks. There are various types of networks which are used worldwide these days. Depending on the geographical area covered by a network, there are various types of computer networks which are as follows. Personal Area Network PAN. PAN is a computer network that is mainly created for an individual person. It is used for communication among devices such as laptop, mobile phones, PDA, personal digital assistants, or smartphones. Personal area networks can be either wired or wireless. PAN generally covers a range of less than 10 meters, about 30 feet. You can use these networks to transfer files including email, calendar appointments, digital photos, etc. and music. Personal area network is a computer network for interconnecting devices within an individual workplace, providing data transmission among devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and personal digital assistants. PAN can be either wired or wireless. Within 10 meters of range, about 30 feet. PAN can be used to transfer files including email, calendar, appointment, digital photos, music, or some other files also. Local area network. LAN. In LAN, two or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within small area such as a room, office, building, or a campus. In local area network, computer terminals are physically connected with wires. The data transmission speed is slow as compared to WAN. Since LAN is operated in small area, it can be controlled and administered by a single person or an organization. Local area network or LAN is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location, such as a building, an office, or home. Devices may be computers, peripheral devices. Peripheral devices we can consider them as printers, scanners, etc. Metropolitan Area Network MAN. MAN is a larger network than LAN. It is spread across a city. Since it covers a city, it is called metropolitan. The most common example of MAN type network is cable transmission, television, branches of a local bank in a city, etc. MAN is a computer network that interconnects users with computers in a region of a size of a metropolitan area or a city. So that's why it is called metropolitan network area. That is MAN, metropolitan area network. Wide area network WAN. This kind of network connects two or more computers located at far away places. They are linked by communication facilities like telecommunication, satellite signals. The most common example of WAN type network is telecom system. The usage of WAN is limited to very large organizations and government agencies. The main characteristics of WAN is that it requires a public telecommunication media to transfer data. The best example of WAN are Internet and Intranet in a large multinational company. ATM facility is the result of WAN national and multinational bank customers' devices. Wide area network WAN is a telecommunication network extending in large geographical area for the primary purpose of computer networking.